Hi, my name is Dr. Matt Lee, and I'll be teaching this course this semester. So I'd like to formally welcome you to Human Anatomy. This is Bioscience 139 at Diablo Valley College. And I just wanted to briefly introduce myself and tell you a little bit about the course, and a lot of this you can also get from the syllabus, and I'll post a separate video on that. So just a little bit about what we're going to be doing this semester. We're going to start small and move up to bigger things. So we'll start with looking at the anatomy of cells of the body and see how those get together and form tissues, which lead to organs, and then overall systems of the body and the entire human body. And we'll spend the semester kind of going through each system of the human body and see how it applies to us, everything inside us, and the environment around us. So I know a lot of you have interest in going into a medical profession. A lot of you may be pre-nursing, pre-physical therapy, etc. So I hope you get a lot from this class, and I think this will be one of the more useful classes you'll take as you get ready to enter those programs. So a lot of that, like I said, you can find on the syllabus, but just a little bit about myself. I've been teaching at DVC about 15 years, and I actually grew up in South Louisiana, hence the Saints hat, and enjoy things like exercising a lot, ran several marathons. I like to bike. I live close to Mount Diablo, so I'm biking up Mount Diablo a few times a month to try to keep busy. I have two small kids at home. So as you can see from the latest Father's Day gift, 8-year-old and a 4-year-old. And I'd like to hear about you also. So I did post a meet and greet where you can, I want you to post something about yourself and why you're taking this course on Canvas. So I look forward to going through that and getting to know you also this semester. So I look forward to working with you, and you will be hearing from me soon.